in a late night development yesterday night, in a very abrupt order, the Bombay High Court has transferred Margaon JMFC Bosco Roberts as the Secretary of the South Goa Legal Services Cell. This transfer order, I say, is politically motivated at the behest of Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar, and it is clearly an assault on the independence of the judiciary. Judge Bosco Roberts had rightly on April 22nd issued a search warrant to look out for the then fugitive Mickey Pacheco at the 10 Akbar Road, which is the official residence of the Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar. And now once again he has been able to transfer a very upright and no-nonsense Judge Bosco Roberts. He has been victimized for having rightly issued a search warrant to look out for Mickey Pacheco at 10 Akbar Road. If the government is aggrieved by any judicial order, the government should contest that order in the court of law, which it has done in this case, and it cannot be using or misusing its offices to try and victimize judicial officers. Last year with the CBI court being closed, and now yesterday with the Judge Roberts being last night abruptly transferred out of as Margaon JMFC, it only shows that the judiciary in Goa is in ICU. Now coming to the other main issue, I have today sent and addressed a personal letter to all the 39 MLAs. I have called upon them to show some spine, and at the forthcoming session of the Goa Assembly, which starts on 27th of July, that they should pass a resolution unanimously condemning the conduct of their Nuve MLA colleague Mickey Pacheco. It is time the MLAs speak out as to what they feel on the conduct of their fellow MLA.